The French Martini. It's cultured, sweet and tangy. If it was a person, it would be disliked for no reason by the other martinis, in particular the porn star and espresso, because it doesn't speak English when they go on holiday to France. The ingredient lineup: we've got vodka, fresh pineapple juice, which is well worth the effort, just invest in an immersion blender, and Chambord, which is a raspberry liqueur. It looks like a bottle of aftershave. Somebody tries to sell you out the back of a BMW along with a car stereo and some jewellery, circa 1998. And let's not forget raspberries to the garnish. Right, let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60ml of vodka. Okay, a quick history on this cocktail. It was invented in the 1980s but gained a lot more traction in the 1990s at Keith McNally's restaurant, Balthazar, and a certain Dale de Groff who reintroduced it to the menu. Then add half an ounce, that's 15ml of Chambord. Then lastly add 3/4 of an ounce, that's 45ml of fresh pineapple juice. Where you can, try and use fresh pineapple juice as it makes the world of difference. The store-bought varieties can often taste over-sweetened and make cocktails taste like a cheap resort drink. Add ice and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Double strain into a chilled coupe glass. Then for your garnish, spear-free raspberries, like a sports day javelin accident. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy, and have a couple more and behave yourselves.